Have a nice day, guys. Day is what day is today? I don't know what's the date of the day, but welcome to Water Process and Engineering Services. And I am here in front of our water refilling station. And in this video, as you can see, we are now opening. We are now open. Today is Tuesday. April. That's April. I think April 25th. Tuesday. So welcome to Water Process and Engineering Services. Today in this video, I'm going to feature to you the story of my water refilling station attendant. His name is Makine. So the story of this one is Makine started to work with us for a couple of 6 months, and he asked permission to us to leave for a couple of months, but he exit to our establishment with a good reputation, with good performance. So as of today, as of tomorrow, should I say, he decided to come back in our establishment to refill, because during the time that he exit in our establishment, maybe he decided to relax and work some other, like painting jobs with other establishments. And also he sell fish from the fisher folks here in El Pardo. So this is the town of El Pardo, guys. It's not a town, it's a barangay, El Pardo, here in Bulacan, one of the first barangay with 2 cell sites like that one. That is a smart cell site, and we have the other one, which is the D2. Let's take a look. So it's the D2 cell site. So there is no problem with it in terms of communication here. So back to our video. Back to our topic. Our topic today is I'm going to feature the life story of my attendant. So as what I said a while ago, he worked with us for a couple of 6 months, and he left for 1 to 2 months, and he decided to come back. So let's find out who she is. Let's find out who he is. This is now our production area, guys. Now we are open, and I want to meet you with Makine. This is Makine. So, magandang umaga. So ngayon, nag-start ang story nito, guys. Nagtrabaho sa amin si Makine for more than 6 months or 6 months ago. Nagtrabaho ka sa amin sa 6 months, no? Dati. Tapos nag-decide siya na ginto kasi mayroon siyang ibang tinatrabaho. Tapos ngayon nag-decide siya na bumalik siya sa amin. Kasi si Makine ay malinis at masipag siyang gumawa sa mga gawain. So ngayon si Makine. Ano sa tingin mo, Makine, ginagawa mo ngayon?
Masaya.
Masaya ka sa ginagawa mo? Oo. Maganda. So, dati, nagtinda ka rin ng isda, no? Oo.
Linggo.
Linggo. Kumusta man ang pagtinda mo sa isda?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
May kita naman.
Okay. Tapos ano pa yung iba mong ginagawa? Marunong ka rin magpintal?
Ako.
Lang. Ito ngayon, so this is guys the life story of my good friend Makine. So, ang pagbabalik ni Makine. So, ang kagandahan ni Makine guys kasi malinis siyang sa mga gawain dito at masipag dito sa aming water refilling station sa El Pardo. So siya lang yung refiller namin, attendant namin na walang negative feedback sa amin kasi malinis siyang gumagawa. Hindi ka at saka makapatiwalaan. Sudan magtagalog makna. Mahirap magalisod-lisod. So, nagtagalog kami guys para maintindihan niyo kasi ibang viewer namin is mayroon namang mga Tagalog. So, dati si Makine, saan ka nakatip? Dati nga tira ka sa Pampanga. So, kabisado na ni Makine na magtagalog. Ako mahirap pag magkalisod-lisod. Mahirap magtagalog. Diyan kami guys, nag-hairnet kami nito. So dito guys, refilling namin guys, walang tubig na papunta dito kasi meron itong barrier. Pagkanti sa refilling station mayroon barrier na ganyan. So kahit na maka-spill yung tubig dito, so kaya nito hindi matapon dito sa sahig. Manatiling malinis at saka walang tubig. So hindi delikado sa slide. So pag mayroong ganito tubig, easy lang na linisin ng ganyan kasi hindi matapon sa sahig. In our station, we're still using single membrane. So dito guys sa aming water station with Makine, ito yung masipag naming attendant sa aming water station. Panatili naming sa Tagalog yung uga, sa Tagalog ng uga, dry, yung walang tubig. So
magpapatuyo ng tubig.
Patuyo, yan.
Elon.
So pinapanatili naming tuyo at nalinis ang galon. Hirap maglisod-lisod maka. Hirap magtagalog. So, do not accept guys if the seal is broken. So that's the sign. That's the written words here in our seal. This is umbrella seal. Some water stations are only using this kind of seal, not full half size. But in our station we use umbrella seal. Okay. Ito yung tinuro ko sa kanila guys na hindi ikutin yung umbrella seal para mamatiling mahigpit or tight yung pagka-silyo. So ito yung pinakatamang gawin. Ang ikutin mo yung galon mismo, hindi yung silyo ang ikutin mo kasi maluwag yun. Ito yung the best na pagsilyo. Ang galon ang ikutin, hindi ang silyo. So that's it. The life story of Makine right here in Water Process and Engineering Services. Ang pagbabalik ni Makine. So, kumusta yung trabaho mo dito, Mac?
Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Okay lang.
Okay. So, dito sa Water Process and Engineering Services, Mac, wala na kang alalahanin, Mac, na ano kaya yung sunod kong trabahuin. Kasi hanggat ang tao ay uminom ng tubig, hindi tayo maputulan ng trabaho. Diba? So, ibang trabaho, pag matapos na yung project, wala na. So, dito, hanggat forever. So, hanggat hindi humihinto yung mga tao dito sa Barangay El Pardo o sa Buluon na uminom ng tubig, mayroong water process. Diba, Matt? Okay, that's it. And life story of Makine right here in Water Process and Engineering Services.